Have you ever wondered what you should eat before and after lifting weights to maximize your strength, performance, and muscle growth? The foods you choose, as well as the timing of your meals, can profoundly affect how much energy you have during your workout, how quickly you recover afterward, and ultimately, the results you see over weeks and months of consistent training. Understanding what to eat before a workout begins with understanding your body's needs during exercise. Weightlifting is a form of high-intensity resistance training that primarily uses glucose stored in your muscles and liver as glycogen, along with some fat as secondary fuel, depending on intensity and duration. Therefore, the main goal of pre-workout nutrition is to supply sufficient energy to your muscles so you can perform at your best, delay fatigue, and maintain good technique throughout your training session. Consuming the right combination of macronutrients before lifting weights is critical because it ensures that your body has an available source of glucose and amino acids, the building blocks of protein, which can help minimize muscle breakdown that naturally occurs during resistance exercise. When planning a pre-workout meal, timing is crucial. Generally, consuming a balanced meal 1 to 3 hours before your workout is ideal. Meals in this window should include moderate amounts of carbohydrates for energy, lean protein to support muscle maintenance, and a small amount of fat, which helps with satiety but should not be excessive because high-fat foods slow digestion and may leave you feeling sluggish. For example, a combination such as grilled chicken with sweet potato and steamed vegetables provides complex carbohydrates, protein, and fiber, fueling your body for sustained energy release without overloading your digestive system. Another option could be a bowl of oatmeal with a banana and a scoop of protein powder, which offers easily digestible carbohydrates, a moderate amount of protein, and some soluble fiber to stabilize blood sugar. Greek yogurt with berries and a small handful of nuts is also an excellent choice, as it combines protein, natural sugars, antioxidants, and healthy fats in a way that won't feel heavy during a workout. For those who have less time or prefer to train on a lighter stomach, consuming a snack about 30 to 60 minutes before lifting can be sufficient. This could be a piece of fruit such as a banana or apple paired with a spoonful of peanut butter, a small serving of rice cakes topped with turkey slices, or even a simple protein shake blended with fruit. The key for pre-workout snacks is that they are easy to digest, provide a quick source of energy, and contain some protein to protect your muscles. It's important to avoid very high-fiber, greasy, or heavy foods right before exercise because they can slow digestion, lead to gastrointestinal discomfort, and compromise your performance during intense lifting. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. After a workout, your nutritional goals shift from fueling performance to repairing and rebuilding the muscles you've just stressed and depleted. Weightlifting causes tiny micro-tears in muscle fibers, which the body repairs during recovery. This repair process requires both amino acids from protein and glucose to replenish glycogen stores, the stored form of carbohydrates in muscles. Timing is particularly important post-workout because there is a window, typically within 30 to 60 minutes, when your muscles are particularly receptive to nutrients. Consuming protein and carbohydrates during this period can enhance muscle protein synthesis, accelerate recovery, reduce soreness, and help you maintain the strength and size gains that come from consistent resistance training. A typical post-workout meal might include grilled salmon with quinoa and steamed vegetables, which supplies high-quality protein, complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and micronutrients essential for recovery. Another excellent option is a combination of chicken breast, brown rice, and broccoli, which balances macronutrients and provides antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation caused by intense training. For individuals who prefer a quicker or lighter meal, a protein shake blended with a banana and oats can serve as a convenient option, delivering both protein and carbohydrates in a digestible form. Cottage cheese combined with fruit and nuts is another versatile choice that offers slow-digesting protein, natural sugars, and healthy fats, supporting sustained recovery and satiety. Even though it may seem secondary, hydration plays a critical role in both pre- and post-workout nutrition. Water is essential to maintain blood volume, regulate body temperature, and transport nutrients to your muscles. Drinking adequate fluids before, during, and after exercise helps prevent dehydration, which can impair performance, reduce strength, and prolong recovery time. In addition to water, some people benefit from replenishing electrolytes lost through sweat, particularly if their workout is long or highly intense. Beyond macronutrients and hydration, there are supplemental strategies that can further enhance pre- and post-workout nutrition. Creatine, for instance, can support strength gains and muscle volume by enhancing the availability of ADP, the energy currency of your muscles. Branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, can help reduce muscle breakdown during prolonged or intense sessions, though they are not strictly necessary if you are already consuming adequate protein from whole foods. Whey protein is a convenient and high-quality protein source that is rapidly absorbed, making it particularly useful immediately after workouts for those who may not have time to prepare a full meal. However, supplements should complement, not replace, a diet built on nutrient-dense whole foods, which provide additional vitamins, minerals, fiber, and phytonutrients that support overall health and recovery. It is also important to consider individual factors when planning pre- and post-workout nutrition. Body size, metabolic rate, workout intensity, and personal digestive tolerance all influence what and how much you should eat. Some individuals perform well with a full meal a couple of hours before lifting, while others prefer a smaller snack to avoid feeling heavy. Similarly, post-workout needs vary depending on whether your goal is muscle gain, fat loss, or maintaining general fitness. For muscle gain, a higher intake of protein and carbohydrates post-workout can optimize recovery and promote growth, while for fat loss, the total daily caloric intake becomes more important than the specific post-workout meal composition, although protein intake remains crucial to preserve lean mass. Understanding pre- and post-workout nutrition is not just about knowing which foods to eat. It is about understanding how your body responds to exercise, how nutrients support muscle function, and how timing can influence your energy levels, recovery, and long-term progress. Experimenting with different foods, meal sizes, and timing allows you to identify what works best for your individual physiology, lifestyle, and workout schedule. Ultimately, eating effectively around your weightlifting sessions can enhance your performance, reduce fatigue, accelerate recovery, and help you achieve your strength and physique goals more efficiently. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.